Hey, Magadi. Yeah, right. Anyways, like I promised you, like, you know, about colon cancer. What's that? What are colon cancer? Colon cancer, cancer, through my laboratories. I don't know which she's considers. I never did. I never go through the research and send any time I wonder. But you know what I mean. But because I don't want to give people the wrong information, the wrong information as so budak. But that would already with munhu wakaita inonzi colon cancer inorapika kana yakakurumidza kuonekwa. And colon cancer chinhu chekuti like kana wakaita tsvina paipai, doctor wangu akanditaurira kuti tsvina yako inenge ine ropa. I don't know kuti ropa racho rinobva kupi, kuti rinobva matumbu, rinobva kupi, I don't know. Kuti rinobva masmall intestine kana mabig intestine, I don't know. Because, you know, gaya kuti uri kwadoctor, doctor bobvunza, how old are you? Godfrey, how old are you now? But I am 50 years old. Have you done your colon cancer? Hey, Godfrey, have you done colon cancer? What? No. What is it? Oh man, I gotta call the government. You know what I mean? Yes, I was in that situation, you know what I mean? But now it's automatic. Shall we automatic? If you are 50 years in Canada, that colon cancer thing comes. The kit. It will come and saka kit yo kana yauya unaenda toilet waisa vanenge vane zvese imomo. Pane bepa waita tsvina bepa wotora chinenge chiswab itange cotton checotton woswaba wobva waisa mukabhodhoro wobva wavhara. Pane shipping things like FedEx or UPS, whatever it is. Waisa imomo, address inenge yakanamirirwa ipapo. Chako ngonokukanda chi. Kana waita, no, you don't even to put it in the mailbox. You have to call. You have to make a call. When you make a call, they'll come and pick it up. FedEx, you know, store, because that's how they program their thing. You know what I mean? But kuno Canada ndo chinhu chaiuraya vanhu vakawanda. And I am sure kuZimbabwe vanhu vazhinji vakafa nayo vasingazivi kuti ndo yava nayo. You know? But if it's detected early, inorapika. Saka munhu wese tonoti kana una baba wako, amai vako vapura 50, even at 45, you know what I mean? If you really you think about it, you know, unogona ngoenda kuna doctor kana kuti if it's your parent, because some of our parents vana chikoro chakanyanyowanda chekuti they would think about it and say, oh, ndambe naona doctor ndombonoita colon cancer. They don't know it. They don't even care anyways, because kwavari chinhu chinonzi cancer vanotozvinzwa varwara still kunzi baba amai mune cancer. So isusu sevana tofanira kuita sei kuona kuti ana mai vedu nana baba vedu vakura kusvika at least 50 years. I'm quite sure that test in Zimbabwe, I don't think it's more than $20. I don't know. I don't know the price. But I know diaspora it's free. test a colon cancer. It's free for everybody. It doesn't matter kana une mari, rich or poor, you know, mgunduru kana netechi, it's free. And Ministry of Health yedu yeku Zimbabwe should prioritize that. And instead of us kufocus kune zvinhu zvakangowanda, you know, my cancer diagnosis machine, we don't need it. Kana uchiscreenwa before the cancer comes. You won't need the colon, the cancer machine. Yes, it's needed to be there in the hospital because it's an instrument that is part of the hospital and or part of the doctor's practice. So, colon cancer kana yakubata, you know what? You know what I mean? Baba washamwari yangu wakafa ni colon cancer. Agafa wonder. You know what I mean? And you know there's a big figure in Zimbabwe, agafa ni colon cancer, you know what I mean? I'm not at liberty to say the name, but if you follow Zimbabwean politics, you know what I'm talking about. So, especially kana wana opportunity when out diaspora, use everything possible to see a doctor. Even personal child kunzwa every 3 months, every 6 months. Go and see a doctor. Ngobvunza zvinhu zvisina nebasa rese. And unzwa chakati, chakati, you know what I mean? You find out your health will be much better, and you know, kuno kutodya zvinhu zvine ma-GMO. Saka imwe cancer iri kuuya iri muchikafu. Chikafu chatakajaira kuZimbabwe hachiso chaunodya kunoko. Uri kudiaspora. Saka nauya kudiaspora, use ningi ma-doctors ese. You know, everybody has to have a family doctor in Canada, of which we have shortages of doctors right now. Some people don't have a family doctor in Canada. Vanoita ma-walk-in, and wakaita walk-in, you have to wait maybe 3-4 hours with the doctor akuone. My doctors in Canada, they are free. Hapana chaunobhadhara. You know, kunoona doctor, it's free. It's the health system in Canada. And I know I went to 24 hours Mbaro. There's 124 hours Mbari. You need the blood pressure for free for my elders. You know, I've actually witnessed it. You know, Padu's never community center, Padu's never stored that. You know, there's one right there. You need BP, want to check a BP, so one pack card and you come every time. But you get about blood pressure, go for free. You know, it's a good thing that, you know, that 24 hours is good for our elders in Mbari. I don't know all my 24 hours akapinda mageto vakachinja dzimba dzedu isusu kuti vaite maclinic. I think you should give, you know, it's a payback to the community, you know what I mean? Blood pressure, you're not losing anything. Go. You know what I mean? Blood pressure, and you're right. You know what I mean? Murkunzwa say, you know, anything. Panichi my tablets in Zimbabwe, most of prescription in Zimbabwe is $2, $3, $4. But kana cancer we are manage. There's different type of cancer, but I'm just talking about colon. Colon cancer, and it's very popular in Canada. And sooner or later, It's going to be popular everywhere. You know what I mean? Especially when I know massive savings. I think they should, as soon as they reach 50, they should get it. You know what I mean? They like, because it's an organization that is controlled by the government, and they can tell kuti uri 50 years, they can tell kuti munhu 65 years easily, you know. Ngomtaura kuti go and do your colon cancer checkup, and you know, get with the program, because hey, time, we don't have too much time. Ngatimanye tifambise shoko. Uriko ku diaspora yako, taura, you know, your brother, your sister, tora amai. Kana utoenda kuna doctor unobvunza kuti colon cancer screening inoita mari, tumira mari, moms $50 mbonorohwa yecolon cancer, unotaurwa zvekuita, itai so, you know what I mean? It's not the best thing kutaura munhu wechikuru kuti ndo zvamunofanira kuita, because vanofanira kuita tsvina, vonokora tsvina and whatnot. Some of them might not be comfortable doing it, but that's the only way they can test for colon cancer. Mazvinzwisisa. Saka kana uchiwirirana neparent yako, you can talk to them before they actually go there. You know what I mean? Or vanopiwa kit yacho vaenda kumba, vonoita that process, vodzoka chi ne sample yacho, because they might not be ready to do it in the clinic. Saka they have to go home and they do it at home. You know what I mean? Other than talking about drug abuses, that's why an addict, they can control it. Mazukuda. Kana chembere yakuchembera ka, sometimes nita nge mwana mdiki, inoda kutotaurirwa. Mama itai so, baba itai so. You know what I mean? Vanenge vangorararara vachingoita zvinhu nebasa rese, you know what I mean? And ivo vanenge vachitaura kuti ndakakuzvara chiya, don't tell me anything. But there's a way we can tell them and educate them. Kuti mama, time yatasvika iyi ndo zviriko. Baba ndo time yatasvika ndo zviriko. Muri munhu mukuru zvenyu, but you have to do it. Uri ku diaspora, you go, you know, unoona doctor wako umutaura kuti ndo zvawafambira. They'll be happy. Vanotoziva kuti this guy is smart. Atouya ega zvake. I think from 40 years you can do a colon cancer screening. Wakaenda kuna doctor wako. I think they can actually do it for you, you know. Not knowing dzimwe nyika, but kuno I was told you can actually do it. Kana uchida kuiita. You know, if you feel fine, you know what I mean? Because I have prostate cancer and whatnot, zviriko futi. And zvimwe zvacho futi mazokuda futika. But munhu anogona kungorwara, and these things just happen. But let's educate our parents and let's educate ourselves. Like I told you, I'm turning 56 years old this year, 2024. So I've done when I was 50, when I was 52, when I was 54. This year, Nduna just after my birthday. So it will be practically maybe late November or early December. You know what I mean? The latest maybe January of next year. So, you know, kiti yangu inenge yauya, they mail it to me, you know what I mean? That's how it is. And ask anybody in Canada who is over 50 years, they will tell you. I don't know about the United States of America or England or Australia. I won't talk about places that I don't know how their GPs work, you know what I mean? But in Canada, that's how they do it. And let's do it with Zimbabwe. And it's with Canada and with Zimbabwe who don't have an idea what I'm talking about. Inyaya yekuti munhu kana wasvika 50 kana une opportunity kana chance yacho yekuenda kunoitwa colon cancer screening unoonekwa kuti tsvina yako haisi kubuda ine ropa here. That's the only way. Hakuna test inopfuura ipapo. Unovhenekwa netsvina ende iwe haumbofa wakazviona. But kukura kwedu isusu, I used to hear kuti aita tsvina ichi ine ropa, totatanga kumuseka, aita tsvina ine ropa, totanga toseka, not knowing chitori chirwere. You know what I mean? Oro kana kuti wakatsvangura soka, wakagetsa soka, koropa rabva kupi? But anyways, that's how it is, man. It's getting late and it is what it is, man. Sometimes I have things to say, but you know, like I said, you know, I have to change things now. You know, I'm moving in a different direction. I'm more mature. I've grown to be a different person, and I love who I am, man. I love who I am. Well relaxed, entertaining, and informative, reaching out to my brothers and sisters in Zimbabwe and, you know what I mean, and in the diaspora. Saka ngatifambe nebhora Hwezha. Zvimwe zvacho unotoriseka uchitaura, you need some humor in these things, you know. Wakaona doctor anenge no, in doctor wangu muChinese kaini no ndakablaza kachekako ataura zviri fani, unobva ikoko uchibharuka. What is this time? I had that doctor for 33 years. I had him when he was a student. You know what I mean? I know him very well. When I was doing my immigration papers, you know what I mean? I know him very well. And this doctor is like 2 hours, but I said I'm not changing the doctor because I don't want to knock his akablazika. But ngatimanye nenyaya yecolon cancer boys down. Anyways, one love. And monitor colon cancer screening. It's good for your health. As long as you're above 50 years, you see it's very rewarding. You know what I mean? We talk about entertainment and things that make you relax, like, you know, alcohol and cigarettes and whatnot. But chikafu chatinodya chinogona kukonzera colon cancer. One love.